What's going on, guys? It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group here to do a quick IPO video for you, and I'm talking about Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme goes public today under the ticker symbol DNUT. That's right, D-Nut. I can say that without smiling. Give me applause because it's ridiculous. Nevertheless, Krispy Kreme is going public today under the ticker symbol DNUT, and they're priced at $17 a share. By the time it hits the regular general public, we're talking probably $25, $30 per share. But let's talk about the company, the background. Let's talk about the money. And is this a wise investment? I can tell you straight off the back, for me, it's kind of risky because we've seen this happen before. We saw that in 2000, the company went public. And then by 2006, I believe, they had to file bankruptcy. This was a company that it was expensive to run each franchise. It cost a lot for their startup cost, and it caused the company to go bankrupt. Have they fixed these problems? I don't know, but certainly they're going public again. The company that the majority owner of Krispy Kreme's now is Jab Holdings Company, the parent company for Keurig. Again, and they have been the majority owner since 2016. They could be looking to cash out, who knows? But let's get into the revenues. Let's get into the profits, if there are any. What happened over the last year or so? Well, as of fiscal 2020, they've produced 1.3 billion donuts in 30 countries, resulting in net revenues of $1.1 billion, which is up almost 1 million up almost 961 million from 2019. Again, 1.1 billion in revenues, and they're up almost 961 million over 2019. But even with those gains, even being up 961 million, we're talking about a company that's still not turning a profit, losing 60.9 million. Yes, a net loss of 60.9 million in 2020, which is double the loss number of 2019. So we're seeing an increase in revenues and a doubling in losses. Not good, in my opinion. I'm not a fan of those numbers. Look, you could be the biggest Krispy Kreme fan in the world, but those numbers are not great. Originally, they were planning on pricing at about $24.25 per share and had to drop it to $17 as of this morning, because when the investors looked over the numbers, they said, look, you're overpriced. Now at 17, because they dropped that number, that's where things do get a little bit interesting, because it could make them a little bit more attractive. But we're talking about a company that's not making profits, that's in a very competitive field. We're talking about competing with Starbucks, McDonald's, you're talking about competing with Dunkin' Donuts, so many competitors out here. And is Krispy Kreme diverse enough? Is their product line diverse enough to really gain market share in the United States and throughout the world? I don't know. But again, this is for Krispy Kreme fans. They're going public today. Again, the ticker symbol is DNUT. Try not to laugh. D-Nut, DNUT. Tell me if you guys are going to invest or not. What do you think? Are you going to watch it from the sideline? Are you a person that loves the product but doesn't love the business? Tell me what you think in the comment section. I do have more IPO videos coming soon. I've been really busy with other work, but I do want to talk about Robinhood specifically and the pre-IPO opportunity through their own application. It's something new. I'm using it because I've seen gains from it. But again, I'll make an entire video about Robinhood, its IPO, and the pre-IPO that you can buy because of their entry into the pre-IPO game via their app. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Subscribe, like, share. I appreciate you. Have a good one.